It's all trial and error. It's nice to just get familiar with loom again, you know? Like, even if it's like, even there's so many steps to like to the setting up of a loom, to like the dressing of a loom, and I haven't done them in a while, so it's quite nice to just, even if I'm not doing them in the right order, like, what's going on here then? Yeah, even if I'm not doing it in the right order, it's like nice to just remember them, you know? Let's fucking ignore that. I miss the feeling of this. I spent a lot of time being quite sure that I didn't want to use a loom that had a computer in it, and I didn't want to overcomplicate the patterning. And I think that was really good, because I think it gave me like a really strong basis for like the type of weaving I like and I want to focus on, and the way I like to weave. I like deciding as I go how I want it to look, you know, because this is kind of like the way you thread up now is decisive of like how, not, you know, there's leeway here and there, but like it's decisive of how the like final fabric looks. Yeah, you can spend kind of hours threading up, and then, you know, I was taught very much that like you have to check consistently if you've threaded up right, because if you get the order wrong, then you will be able to, you will tell. Like when you start weaving, you will see the you know, maybe one thread's out of place or worse. It can be, it can affect it quite a lot. And I used to always be like, oh, it's fine, like, because the way I wove was very much like I like kind of celebrated the mistakes in weaving. I like I'm not trying to replicate what a computer can make. Like, I'm a human weaving, so there's gonna be mistakes in there, but on a uni course that doesn't fly. You'd have to go and rethread the whole thing, and it's like sometimes you've spent hours threading it, and then if the mistake is at the beginning, you've got to rethread the whole thing. you know, it's like it's something I want to make work so bad, like more than anything. This is all I really care about. It's all I really think about these days, is like making sure this could work. So that was kind of a horrible feeling, because there was some, I know I will make it work, like I know it will work, there's no reason for it to not go well, but like obviously there's gonna be frustrating parts in the meantime. Like even when I was threading this up again for the first time, like that's always a painful part, threading up, because I always make mistakes. And I was like really okay with it, like doing it. I was like, I've just got to accept that this is time consuming and a bit painstaking, and like shit goes wrong, and that's a bit frustrating. So actually I think I was a bit more peaceful about it then. But then there's been, yeah, I don't know, that anxiety is real, but I think I'm edging closer and closer to making it work now.